Diamond Painting Cats and Dogs. Tolly here. Hi. This is my collection that I've accumulated over the last, I guess 4.5 years, almost down 5 now, I think. There's 199 diamond paintings in here. There's 35 in this big, huge purple thing that I made. And then, of course, I've got diamond paintings in here. Some are done, some are not done. These are, little snack sizes. And then I got bigger ones in here. And then I have the diamond art right here. And then, as you can see, I've got a lot of Diamond Art Club and Dreamers Designs in here. We've got Craftability, which, sorry, they're no longer business. And then these are like plain canvases that we got so we can do another Heaven and Earth design on this. I already removed the two-sided tape and put glue on it, on these. So there's these two. And then this is like Cats in a Library. It's old. This has also been converted from two-sided tape to Porta glue. I did that. I think this one's the same thing. Yeah, this is the same thing, I think. Yeah, I've got different ones in here that like I said, I've accumulated them over the years. So independent people, independent shops, which probably are not around no longer. I'm going around this way. And then we've got some more that these come from Amazon. A couple of these. This is, what is this? Make Mark right here. Let's see, this is another one. It's an older one that I've had for quite a while. And yeah, the rest of them are basically Dreamers Designs in here. Diamond Art Club, some small ones. So I just wanted to show you part of this. And what we'll do is I will go ahead and clear this off. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in this big container. And also I have an unboxing. If I can get it picked up here. That's got to... There's 3 more in here, so 199 would be what? 200, 201, 2. So 202 diamond paintings now. And this here, this whole area, this is in my basement. I'm gonna make another video with what would this be? Probably another craft room basement, because I've got a craft room already on our page that is, let's see, what is it? Oh, like Epic Craft Room, which is big. I've got that on there that you can watch if you'd like, and I'll also post it at the end of this video so you can go and look at that, and then I'll show you, what I've done down here in the basement. So let me get this cleared off, and then we'll go to what's in here. So we'll see you in the next video. Please come back. Thank you. Bye.